Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel where we review Nollywood movies and other movies you could think of. Just name the movie in the comment section. Alright, so today's movie that we are reviewing is Kutere. Have you seen Kutere? Yes, a lot of people have watched Kutere and we were all waiting for the part 2 of Kutere to arrive. Now, my own opinion of Kutere part 2. It didn't meet my expectation. I expected so much from Kutere part 2 and what I got wasn't really what I expected. So, I felt like there was no need for part 3 Kutere. I felt like there was no reason for that movie to extend until part 3. Everything ought to have ended in part 2 because there were not so many scenes in that part 2. So, all that was supposed to be encompassed in that movie should end in part 2. Or maybe Kutere is about to extend like Hollywood show to different seasons. Maybe Kutere will get to part 3, 4, 5, 6. But as for me right now, the part 2 of Kutere was not what I expected. Maybe a lot of people would have also complained or noticed this and Kutere part 3 will get better. I don't know for now. But I'm expecting that Kutere part 3 so that I will be able to make my final judgment. What do you think about Kutere part 2 that you have watched as well? Do you love it so much like you did in the first part of Kutere? Do you also like how it extended to part 3? Are you waiting for the part 3? Do you enjoy the part 2? Please drop your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching once again. Do not forget to like, to share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.